This hiking trail in New York feels like you're inside of a fairy tale. This is Watkins Glen State Park, and the Gorge Trail takes you past 19 waterfalls, through caves, across stone bridges, and even behind the falls. It's about a mile and a half long, and everywhere you look feels like a scene out of a storybook. It's mostly stone steps, so it is a little bit of a workout, but the mist from the falls keeps you cool, and the views are insane. Every corner feels like the perfect photo backdrop, and I definitely recommend coming before 9 a.m. because it gets packed quick. And honestly, fall is the perfect time to visit. The changing leaves makes it even more magical, and it's about a 4-hour drive from New York City, but so worth it. The park is free, but parking is $10, so let me know in the comments if you'd want to hike this trail.